Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Microsoft Dynamics 365 using Microsoft Entra ID. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Entra ID portal. Log in with your administrator account. Once logged in, find and select Azure Active Directory from the navigation pane. In the Azure Active Directory section, click on App Registrations. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Enter a name for your application in the name field. Select the supported account types according to your organization's needs. In the Redirect URL field, choose Web and enter the URL for your Microsoft Dynamics 365 instance. Click on the Register button to create the application. After registration, you will be directed to the Application Overview page. Make a note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, click on Certificates and Secrets in the left sidebar. Under the Client Secrets section, click on New Client Secret. Provide a description, click Add and make sure to copy the secret value immediately for later use. Now, navigate to API Permissions in the left sidebar. Click on Add a Permission and choose Microsoft APIs. Select Dynamics 365 and then check the permissions your app requires. Click on Add Permissions to confirm your selections. Next, go back to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 portal. Log in with your administrative credentials. In Dynamics 365, navigate to the Settings area and select Administration. Click on Application Users. Click on Add Application User to create a new user. Enter the details using the application ID from your Entra ID application. Select the appropriate role for the user in Dynamics 365. Click on Save once you've entered all necessary information. Now, configure your application to use the Entra ID for authentication. In your application code, use the details collected earlier, such as the client ID, secret, and the tenant ID. Set up the authentication flow according to your application type. Ensure that you request the necessary permissions and handle tokens correctly. Test the authentication to make sure users can sign in to Dynamics 365 through Microsoft Entra ID. Monitor the application in the Azure portal to manage users and permissions as needed. Congratulations, you have now successfully configured Microsoft Dynamics 365 to authenticate using Microsoft Entra ID. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.